Most of us had a fantasy since childhood about dreaming something adventurous by holding old turned map in hands and riding on horses to find greatest treasures. Am I right? I think you sure might thought of dreaming once in a life. On historical records, humans found numerous treasures, whereas till date so many treasures scientifically proven but undiscovered by anyone. If we try and have bit favor of luck, there are certain treasures we may discover around us. Today, let's find out 7 mysterious treasures in India could make you crorepati. Let's go into details. Hello one and all, this is Elite World channel. Upgrade yourself. India was known as Sone ki Chidiya, meaning the golden sparrow. It was because India earlier was considered to be rich, prosperous and wealthy. Here a few hidden treasures that give you glimpse of India's glorious past. Buy a ticket and visit these places. And if you are lucky, you might even discover some world treasure to become crorepati. Charminar Tunnel, Hyderabad. Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah had built a tunnel that connected the Golconda Fort with the Charminar. The royal family probably used the tunnel as an emergency exit route. The king hid the treasures in the tunnel. A survey of the tunnel conducted by Archaeology Department in 1936 found 30 feet to 40 feet deep tunnels within the main tunnel. The result of this survey hints at hidden treasures in the tunnel. There are still rumors that the treasure chest is still undiscovered and awaits an exploration. Mughal treasure of Alwar, Rajasthan. Alwar Fort is about 150 kilometers from Delhi in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. According to local folklore, Mughal Emperor Jahangir took refuge here while on the run. It is believed that not all of the treasure was salvaged and most of it is still lies hidden in the fort. While some of it was found, there was quite some part of it still uncovered. Krishna River treasure, Andhra Pradesh. The place that gave birth to the invisible Kohinoor diamond. The bank of Krishna River are said to have world's best diamond. Once upon a time, their mines were the main source of diamonds to the world. The Golconda mines were mined for the last time in 14th century. Many people believe in the story that suggests the presence of diamonds underneath the Krishna River. In 2012, a group of treasure hunters from Discovery Channel who tried to locate the diamonds did not get any significant success. If you are lucky, you may even catch a few diamonds here today. 7 at world's top 10 diamonds are said to be from Andhra Pradesh. Jaigarh Fort treasure, Rajasthan. When Mansingh I was on his way from Afghan conquest, he had a huge chest of treasure with him. Sources have revealed that he never shared all the treasure with the king. He hid some of it in Jaigarh Fort. This massive treasure hoard is constituted of more than 20 different types of precious stones including diamonds, rubies, emeralds and pearls. The amount of jewelry and stones is just incredible, totaling an 350 kgs. There is also a parallel story which states that the then PM Indira Gandhi ordered a search in hunt of the treasure. No one knows how successful the hunt was. So by all means, the treasure lays hidden in the fort and you might stand fair chance of getting lucky. Sanbandar Caves, literally meaning a storage of gold. Going back to 200 BC to the days of Emperor Ashoka, the set of twin caves located about 20 to 25 kilometers away from north of Gaya at Bihar. It is believed to be the place where the treasure of Bimbisara was hidden by his wife. There is sign written near the entrance stating if you can convert the scripts engraved on the cave, the door of the cave will magically open. Take a screenshot of this and crack if you can. It is much like the Aladdin days, isn't it? A cannon mark shows the efforts to the failed attempt of the Britishers trying to break open the entrance. King Koti Palace, Hyderabad. The last Nizam of Hyderabad, Mir Osman Ali, was named as 5th all-time wealthiest person with a net worth of $210 billion, that is 140 lakhs crores in present currency by Forbes magazine, while Times magazine declared him the richest man in the world in 1973. The riches of this royal king are said to be hidden in the underground chamber of King's Koti Palace, the king's personal residence. In his ruling, King Koti Palace, precious jewelry like diamonds, rubies, sapphires, pearls, and gems are stored in steel boxes. It will be quite a quest to hunt the royal palace down. Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple, Kerala. In 2011, an underground secret vault A in the Padmanabha Swami Temple was opened on the court order, and a collection of gold, diamonds, gems, silver ornaments, crowns, and precious stones were uncovered. The antique value of the total treasure was estimated as $22 billion. The Supreme Court of India later ordered that vault will be opened only after proper documentation of the articles found in Vault A and preservation of it. According to the local legends and temple priests, the treasure in Vault B protected by giant, and the breaking it will invite the massive disaster. Treasure in Vault B is considered as most valuable than Vault A. Total value is supposed to range from 50,000 to 2 lakh crores. What if you discover the above said treasures? Please write down below comments. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe Elite Vault.